inspired by the teachings and speaking style of Joel Osteen. Listen to this carefully, because what you're about to hear can truly change your life. Not tomorrow, not someday, starting today. There's a reason you clicked on this video. It's not by accident. You're here because something inside you is searching for hope, for direction, for a breakthrough. And here's the truth you need to hear today. Your life is not stuck. Your story is not over. Something amazing is still ahead of you. Section 1. Change your thinking, change your life. Everything begins in your mind. The way you think determines the way you live. If you wake up every day thinking, nothing is going to change, my life is always going to be like this, then you're unknowingly blocking your own blessings. But when you shift your mindset and start saying, something good is about to happen to me, that opportunity is coming, my time is near, you begin to align yourself with positivity, faith, and growth. God has already placed greatness inside you, but it's your belief that activates it. You cannot live a positive life with a negative mindset. Section 2. Trust God's timing. One of the hardest things in life is waiting. Waiting for answers. Waiting for opportunities. Waiting for things to finally go your way. And sometimes, it feels like God is silent. But just because God is silent doesn't mean He's absent. God is working behind the scenes. Think about a seed. When it's planted, you don't see anything happening on the surface. But underneath, roots are growing, preparation is happening. In the same way, your life is being prepared for something greater. Delay does not mean denial. If it hasn't happened yet, it simply means it's not the right time yet. Section 3. Don't let negativity define you. People will doubt you. Situations will test you. Failures may try to discourage you, but you have to make a decision. You will not let negativity define your future. You are not your past mistakes. You are not your failures. You are not what others say about you. You are who God says you are. Strong, capable, chosen. Stop replaying negative thoughts in your mind. Stop telling yourself you're not good enough. Because the truth is, you are more powerful than you think. When you start believing in yourself, everything begins to change. Section 4. Pain has a purpose. I know some of you have gone through pain, disappointments, heartbreaks, losses, and it's not easy. But what if I told you that your pain has a purpose? Every struggle you've faced is shaping you into a stronger, wiser, and better person. God doesn't waste pain. What you went through is preparing you for where you're going. One day, you'll look back and realize that difficult season actually made you who you are today. This is your moment to believe again. Your breakthrough is not far away. Your miracle is closer than you think. Stay faithful, stay consistent, stay positive, because things are about to shift in your favor. Doors are going to open, opportunities are going to appear, and blessings are going to surprise you. Powerful affirmation. Say this with me. My life is changing. Something good is coming my way. I believe in myself, and I trust God's plan. Keep going. Don't stop. Your best days are still ahead. This is your time.